Hello, my lovely followers. Today we have a brand new and quick recipe for making golden stuffed pastries that are both fast and delicious. This recipe is perfect for any time, whether you're in a hurry or just want to make something light for the family or friends. Follow along step by step to see how we can prepare crispy golden stuffed pastries using simple ingredients. First, let's start with the ingredients. Melt some butter in a small bowl. In another bowl, crack 2 eggs, add a teaspoon of vanilla and a pinch of salt for that special flavor. Then, gradually pour in 1 cup of milk, stirring constantly so the eggs and milk blend together well. After that, add 2 tablespoons of oil and continue mixing until everything is well combined. Next, we will add the flour. Gradually add 2 cups of flour while mixing the batter to get a smooth and soft dough. Not too thick or too runny. The goal here is to create a dough similar to crepe batter, easy to spread in the pan without being too heavy. Heat a pan over medium heat, take a scoop of the dough and spread it into a circle in the pan. Let it cook until it turns golden on the bottom. Then flip it over to cook the other side. You want both sides to be lightly golden. This gives you your pastry base, which should look similar to crepes. Now comes the fun part, stuffing the pastries. This is where you can get creative. I like to use mozzarella cheese as a base, so I place a slice of mozzarella in the center of each pastry. Then you can add any filling you like. I'm going with sautéed spinach for a healthy option, but you can also use minced meat, grilled chicken or roasted vegetables. The choice is yours. Fold the pastries into a half-moon shape and in another pan, melt a little butter. Place the stuffed pastries in the pan and let them cook over medium heat until they become golden brown and crispy on the outside. Make sure the heat isn't too high, so they don't burn and stay perfectly crispy. Once they're done, serve the pastries hot. You can garnish them with sesame seeds or herbs if you like, or serve them with a light dipping sauce like garlic sauce or yogurt. Trust me, the taste is incredible, and the crispy texture will be everyone's favorite. Don't forget to let me know how the recipe turned out for you in the comments. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more delicious and easy recipes. Thank you for watching, and I hope your day is filled with great flavors and joy. Enjoy your meal.